Okay, this video is about adjusting the design of your blog. So I'll assume that you've logged in, you know where your blog is. We're going to use Los Angeles base again. This time we're going to click on design. When you click on design, it brings up the template of your blog. And you can see where your blog posts are going to go and things called gadgets at the side and at the top and bottom of your blog. If we look at the leading learning blog, you can see at the side we've got lists with links on. At the top we've also got a library of documents. So there are examples of gadgets you can have. Basics here, if you click on add a gadget, I will go and look for link list. You can see there are lots of different types of gadgets and you're welcome to play with them. Some are useful for you, some are not. If you look for link list or something similar, then you can start adding some links to some of the websites that you use a lot of. So link list, just click on it. You can click on the ad or onto the title of it, and then you'll see it needs a title. So we'll type in a title. This is what will go on the side of your blog, and then underneath you can see you've got some spaces to write down the website address of the link you want to go to and the title of that link as well. So what I do is I open up some web pages that I like the look of. So here's BBC Schools, and at the top you can see the address of it. So I'm going to highlight those and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go back to my link list gadget maker, if you like. Here it is, and then that address I'm going to put in the new site URL. I'm going to right click and paste it in, and then I'm going to give that a title, which is BBC Schools. When I've done that, I'm going to add link. It's really important you do that, and then you'll see beneath it says BBC Schools. If I clicked on that, it would take me to the BBC Schools site. But I've not finished. I'm going to want to put some more links into this list. So bite size might be useful for Key Stage 2. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to my gadget maker. I'm going to paste that in, right click and paste. I'm going to call it Key Stage 2 bite size. Add that link, don't forget. I'm going to go and get another link now. So you'll remember I've posted about the Khan Academy. So I'm going to put that as a link. Right click and copy. Back to my maker, right click and paste. Don't forget you can also press Ctrl and V to paste. There's a shortcut way of doing it. I'm going to call it Khan Academy. Add link. And my final one will be Math Train. I could just press Ctrl and C if I wanted to copy that. You don't have to right click and copy. Paste it in, give it a title. Add my link, don't forget. And when I've done that, I'm going to save that as my list. When you do that and you go back to your template, you can see now you've got a gadget that has the title you gave it. And if you go and view your blog, on the right hand side it has that gadget with those links. And if you clicked on those links, it would take you off to where you want to go. And as I've said, there are other gadgets that you can add. Another one that you might like to add might be to put like a class logo or a picture. So if you go and find picture, this is very similar to posting a picture. You might want to give it a title, you might not. Oftentimes on the blogs that I use, I don't put titles. I just like I let the picture speak for itself. Go and find a picture. Might tell you that there's something wrong with your picture. No bother. You can go back and find another picture that you might want. So I use a school logo, upload it, and when I'm happy with that, I can save it. Like I said, I'm not going to give it a title. And there you go. I've got another gadget now. There's a picture, and if I go and view my blog, I've now got a picture as one of my gadgets. Okay, have some fun adding lots of gadgets that might be useful to your class blog.